Next rule, how to round the number, round of numbers. So here second rule, first we have to check the place value. First rule is first we have to check the place value. Then next step is we have to check number, the place value, which place we have to round off the number. The second step here is we have to check the numbers above 5 or below 5 or exact 5. If number above 5 means from 5 to till 10, from 5 to till, because 5 is middle in between 0 to 10. Above 5 means we have to rise 1, we have to add 1 to the before number, we have to add 1 to the before. If the number is below, if the number is below 5 means 4 3 2 1 0 means then before number will be remain the same, and the which number we are next number is become 0 0. Example for rounding off, in a tens place we are rounding off 58. One example, now we are rounding off number 58 means in ones, this is ones place, tens place. What is a poem? The rounding off poem. So what is a poem? Find your place. Place means place value of the number, in which place we are rounding off. So round off to tens place, round off to tens place. Round off to tens place means place. Round off to tens place means first check the place value. This is ones, this is tens, this is ones, tens place, ones, tens, 100, place value of the number. And next here also ones, tens, 100. So first rule is we have to check in which place value we have to round off the number. Here in question it is given round off to tens place. In sometime they will not mention round off to which place value, then we have to take the general rule. General rule means we can change the round off to any place value, tens, 100, thousands, any place value we can take if the particular they didn't mention any place value of the number. So first one is we have to check the place value of the number. So here they given round off to tens place. So which is in tens place? Yes, ones, tens, 5 in tens place. So here also ones, tens, 7 in tens place. This number we have to round off. Ones, tens, 100, 4 in tens place here, and here 6 2 3 2 in tens place. Now we have to round off the number. Round off to 58. What is the next step? Find your place. That is means find your place. Tens place we have to round off. Look next door. Look next door means we have to this place we have to round off. We have to check this number. Next number means after 5. After 5 which number is there? 8. That is our next neighbor. So is there 8? 8 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, 8 is greater than 5. If greater than 5 means 1 we have to add to before number. Greater than 5 means 1 we have to add to before number. So 55 will become 6, and this number name will become 0. 0 is my name. Okay. 8 in which place? The neighbor will become 0 because he gave 1 to his friend. So neighbor is empty now, 0. Now 72 means tens place we have to round off. So we have to check our neighbor next door. Who is there? 2. 2 is, depend upon our next door or next number only we are rounding the numbers. If 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5, you have to check. 2 is greater than 5 or less than 5. 2 is less than 5. Then this number will remain the same. No need to give 1 here. Okay. This because here 2 means less than 5 means here they don't have money to give. They don't have money to help other person. So here 7 remains same, and in which place we are next neighbor always remain 0. 70. Okay. Here we should not write 2 here. 7 as it is. Here we don't have money to give or have money to help our neighbor. So this neighbor, rounding of 7 means tens place, we check after number. After 7 is 2. 2 is below 5. So 7 as it is, no changes. This number will remain 0. 845. So this is ones, tens, hundred. Tens place we have to change or round off. So 4 in tens place. Check the next number. Next number is exact 5. So 5 or more than 5 means add 1 to before number. 5 or more than 5 means add 1 to before number. So here 8, 5, 0. What it become? 8, 5, 4 will become 0. 8, 5, 4 will added. 1 is added. 8, 5 and this will remain 0. Okay, 850. And 3, 2, 6. Ones, tens, 100. Here 2 we have to round off. Tens place. So we have to check our neighbor or next door. Who is there? 6. 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 6 is greater than 5. 5 exact 5 or greater than 5 means rich people, rich person. So he can help next before number, poor person. So 6 means greater than 5. So here he can give 1 to here. So now he become poor now. Here 33. 32 will become 33. Plus add 1 to here. 3, 2 will become 3, 3 and yes, poor. 0. 3, 2, 6. Okay. It means 58 is nearer to 50 or 60. 58, one more method I will explain. 58 nearer to 58 is nearer to 50 or 60. Where 58 will come? Near 60. Nearer to 60 will come. So 58 near to 60 then 50. So here we can move to here. So instead of writing 58 we can write 60. Next one more method, 72. 72 means it nearer to between 10 numbers, 70 to 80. Near 70 to 80. 72 will, where will it will come? Here, 72. So 72 is near to 70 or than 80. 72 is near to 70. So we can write round off to 70. 845 round offing. 845 means tens place we are rounding off. Rounding off means in tens place we have to keep in mind and try the 840 to 850 numbers between 840 to 850. 840 will come in middle. 845 on number line. 840 to 850. 845 will come middle. So 5 or greater than 5 we can move to next value 850. So 845 round off to 850. Next number is 326. 326 because tens place we are rounding off. So tens place means 322 numbers between 10 distance is 10 here now. 320 to 330. So 326 is here middle of the number 5 will come here 26. 326. 5 or above 5 move to next number. So 320 is near to 326 is near to 320 or 330. It is near to 330. Exercise 1.5 A question. Round the number to the nearest 10 means tens place. In which place you are. So round the number to the nearest 10. First question is 28. First question is 28. Round the number nearest to tens. So place value of the number, check the place value. This is ones, this is tens. Tens place we have to round off the number. So round the number tens place. Ones, tens, 2 in tens place. So what is the rule? Next number we have to check next door. It means next number we have to check. So next number 8 means rich person. Yes. Means 5 or greater than 5 is we can give 1 to here. Yes. To next number is 8. Means 5 or greater than 5 means we can give 1 to before number and this number will become poor 0. So 2 means 28 will become 1 added to this number. So here 3 and here in the place of 8 the place will name as 0. 8 places 0. It means one more method. Numbers between 20 to 30 means numbers between 20 to 30. But 28 is given. So 10 distance is 10 we have to take. Numbers between 20 to 30 means 28 28 is nearer to 30 than 20. Yes, 28 is nearer to 30. So we can estimate into or round off to 30. Not with the 20. Now second question, 188 we have to round off. In which place we have to round off? Tens place. In which place? Tens place we have to round off. So check the place value. This is ones, tens, 100. Okay, which in tens place? This number in tens place. So we have to check our next door. Means next number. Who is there? 8. Yes, rich person. Again he can help before number. Yes, 5 or greater than 5. 8 means above 5. No, more than 5. So he can give 1 to his friend. Now here 8 will become 9. Richest. And here he will become 0. 1 has it is and 1 is added. 8 plus 1 means 9. This person will become 0. One more rule means the numbers between 188 means we have to take numbers from 180. 180 to 190 on number line. 180 to 190. 188 lies here. 188 lies here. Means nearer. So who is the nearer neighbor? 190 is a nearer or 180 is a nearest? Yeah, 190 is nearer. 188 is nearer to 190 than 180. So we can move to next number 190. Third question 250. Now we have to round off to tens place. So check the place value of the number. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place. Who is in tens place? 5. Yes. We help them. 250. Here no one. Yeah, 0. 0 means it remains the same. 250. Here he didn't have money to help this person. He is here poor. 0. You don't have money. 0. So 0 means 0 to 4 means greater than 5 means we can help next person before number. Here 0 means we can't do anything. So number in 250 only. This number will remain same. This number will remain same. In which place we are helping? Which who is the helping man? Always remain 0. Helping man will become 0. So what it means? Numbers between 250 to 260 on number line. 250 remains same place. So we can move to 250 here only. Fourth question is 101. So in which place we have to round off? Tens. Ones, tens, 100. Number in ones, tens, 100. Before writing your notes, keep textbook. Keep textbook and write, children. Okay. Now ones, tens, 100. So is in tens place 0. 0 in tens place. 101. Yes. 101. So here 101 means less than 1. So less 1 means this is less than 5. Less than 5 means you don't have money to help any other person. So these two numbers will remain same. 1 0 means 1 0, 2 5 means 2 5. What it was 2 5. So that number remains same because our next door, our closest neighbor don't have money to help. So that person remain the same. So here 1 means we are helping natures always remain 0. Helping person always remain 0. It means one more method we can say numbers between 100 to 110. Numbers 10 difference. No, numbers between 100 to 110. 101 remains here. Lies here. 100 to 110. 101 lies here. So this is nearer to 100 than 110.